Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are seeing east facing tiny home with huge yard of plot size 30 feet by 90 feet, and the total plot area is about 2700 square feet. The built up area is about 500 square feet. So it's just a tiny home with a detailed Vastu position. Let's get into the plan. You can see the full view of the plan here. We have large space over here. This is compact and highly Vastu-compliant ground floor house plan set with a very deep plot, and it's east facing plot. The main door and the gate are on the east side. Here is how the rooms and exterior elements are placed according to Vastu. Let's get into the plan. We have a porch or a sit out of size measuring 20 feet by 6 feet 6 inches. A wide covered front porch on the east side that serves as a welcoming transition from the massive front yard into the home. And our main entrance, that is our main door, is placed on the northeast zone and faces east. This is highly auspicious, bringing in the positive morning sunlight and prosperity. And get into the home. We have our hall is measuring 10 feet by 6 feet 6 inches. A cozy rectangular living space and located immediately upon entering the main door. Hall is located in the northeast, and the living room occupies the northeast corner, that is Ishanya corner, keeping this sacred zone light and open invites positive energy and clarity into the home. We have provided a sofa location over here and the TV showcase here. And coming to the kitchen is located in the bottom left corner of the build-up area, which corresponds to the southeast zone, that is Agni zone. This is the absolute best placement for the fire element, and kitchen is measuring 8 feet by 6 feet 6 inches, and it is located right next to the hall. This space is well ventilated with windows opening to the south and east. You can see it here. And coming to the master bedroom, and this bedroom is situated in the top left corner, which is the southwest direction, that is Nairutia corner. This provides grounding energy and stability for the head of the household. So it is suitable for the head of the family to rest, to get stability and clear mind and wealth, everything. And this master bedroom is measured with size of 14 feet by 10 feet. Very spacious bedroom occupying the back portion of the house and offering plenty of privacy and room for large furniture. And we provide our bed sleeping position in the south. It should be kept in the south as per Vastu. Like a wardrobe is also placed in the west. It should be kept like that. And this is provided with an attached toilet of size 4 feet by 10 feet. And here we kept our commode pointing towards north. And a long spacious bathroom connected directly to the master bedroom. And the attached toilet is placed in the top right corner, falling into the northwest zone. And Vastu highly recommends placing waste disposal and toilets in this area, and we provided the same. And coming to the underground water tank or bore or sump, that is it is located in the northeast corner. That is, a bore or sump is placed in the northeast portion of the open plot, and placing the underground water source here is considered extremely lucky for wealth and health. And overall plot layout and open spaces. We have a front yard. The house is set back significantly from the road, leaving a massive open area in the front, that is in the east. Vastu encourages leaving more open space in the east and north, which this plan does perfectly. And you can see it here. We have a large yard here. And side setbacks, there is a 4 foot open space on the south side here, and a 6 foot open space on the north side, ensuring excellent cross ventilation and natural light for all rooms. You can see the overview of the plan, and you can get more plans on our websites, houseplansdaily.com, houseplans.world, and our apps are available on the Google Play Store. House Plans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, Planest, and Designest apps. We are conducting a 30-day online class on how to create a house plans according to Vastu Shastra. If you are interested, please reach out to your WhatsApp at 99520 29063 to join. Thank you.